The diversity of biodiversity refers essentially to three different levels: species, ecosystem, and genetic. Species diversity refers to the wealth of varied species. It is said that more than 30 million species live on the Earth, only 1.75 million of which have been identified. Ecosystem diversity refers to the wide variety of environments in this world, such as forests, rivers, and coral reefs. Various species have evolved to suit these environments. Genetic diversity refers to the various genetic traits that all creatures possess, including human beings. Even within one species, each individual's genetic traits will greatly differ. These three aspects of biodiversity developed over a long history of evolution and maintain the rich natural environment supporting our day-to-day lives. However, many species of wildlife around the world are on the verge of extinction today. About 40,000 species are vanishing from the Earth every year. Excessive development, overexploitation, introduction of alien species, chemical pollution, and other human activities are said to be a major cause of this. Our daily lives have an enormous impact on ecosystems, even if we are not aware of it. Take vegetable oils, a vital part of modern life. Most of them are produced from palm oil harvested from oil palms. Palm oil is widely used in such familiar processed food as snack foods, cup noodles, and margarine. One of the largest plantations is in Sumatra, Indonesia. Rapid development of the large oil palm plantation resulted in a sudden decrease in the natural rainforest. Consequently, wildlife such as elephants and tigers have lost their habitat for food or mating and now face extinction. It's vital for us to reconsider the impacts that our daily life have on the rich diversity on Earth. Two-thirds of Earth's forests have been lost since human civilization emerged about 8,000 years ago. It is predicted that some countries will lose all of their forests within the next 50 years.